We are a new breed. A new breed that's dominant, ambitious, adventurous, and curious. We're a new breed that's ever willing to take on the frontiers that exist beyond our cities. Frontiers that only the brave dare to explore. We don't just rule our cities, we rule every adventure and every moment. That's what makes us who we are. Whether it's the modern world we call home, or the lost world beyond that we call an adventure, we dominate without fear. Experience who you are and rule every road.